Are you ready to see the most magnificent home in all of Texas? Come on inside for a first look of the Vivia Verona collection by Toll Brothers. Come on in. The first thing you notice in this magnificent home is the 25-foot vaulted ceilings, custom marble tile on both sides, 2 beautiful chandeliers. For an exclusive tour of this home or any home like you see here, click that link tree below for a no obligation consultation call. We would love to show you more beautiful homes in the Austin area. As you walk to your right, you have your office with beautiful natural lighting coming in, custom wood paneling on the walls. This home is 6,100 square feet. It's 5 full bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, and we have the media room on the first floor here. And this media room has some beautiful accents. This lighting and marble accents on the walls. Very nice touch. Walking to your right towards the living room, you have your first guest bedroom on the first floor with its own full bathroom. And then entering the grand living room, open floor plan with your kitchen and your living room and a formal dining room connected all in one seamless flow. So imagine entertaining your friends and family are over, you have a beautiful chef, meals are happening, and there's a nice seamless flow between the living room and the formal dining room in here. So here we have our formal dining room. You can comfortably seat 12 people in here. And this house has the most stunning backyard you will ever see in a luxury home. Look at this swimming pool and these views. So multiple bars and places to enjoy and relax in the pool. There are actually 3 places to swim here. Really nice design feature of the backyard and the swimming pool is 2 waterfalls right here and a hot tub with its own custom bar. You can seat 7 people here by the hot tub. Very, very nice touch and beautiful design and layout. Let's go in and take a look at the kitchen next. Now this sliding glass door opens up 3 panels wide. So when the weather's cool in the spring or the fall, you can open up the sliding door and let air flow out through the entire house. A really nice touch here in the back porch. Here's our beautiful custom kitchen. 10-foot granite island with waterfall granite on both sides. Plenty of space for entertaining and enjoying morning breakfast. We have a nice Jenner Sub-Zero refrigerator here. And this kitchen has Wolf appliances, 2 ovens with a gourmet 6-burner gas stove with a pancake griddle included. Now over here is where you really get to enjoy the luxury of your own Butler's Pantry with extra refrigerator and a place for wet food preparation. And then further down, you have the washroom with its own sink and refrigerator. So if you have a staff or a chef, they have a full area back here to prepare food and do service for you and your family. Now, let's go see the master bedroom. On the way to the master bedroom, we have one of our guest bathrooms with a door connecting to the back porch. So imagine you're entertaining outside, swimming in the pool, need to use the bathroom, easy access right here. Here is our master bedroom. Beautiful 12-foot vaulted ceilings, farmhouse style. And imagine waking up every morning with these hill country views of Leander, Texas, rolling hills. What a view. Moving into our master bathroom. Now, this master bathroom has a lot of nice touches I think you'll really like. First, we have 2 closets right here, to your right and to your left. Now you can fight over which closet you get and let me know who wins. And here we have your master bathroom, a 6-foot floating garden tub. This garden tub has a nice little accent by Kohler with a custom wand for hair washing, which is really nice. And a walk-in shower here, 2 shower heads in this walk-in shower, a rain shower head and a shower head along the wall. This is one of my favorite parts about this home, is how magnificent the master bathroom is and the views in the master bedroom. Now let's go take a look at the second floor. Come on up. Welcome to the second story of the Vivia. This is a 6,100 square foot home. Lots to see here. So here, right when you come upstairs, we have a nice little work area. So this could be a study or an office. We have a nice place for desks and table. And then also, when you come to the second floor, we have a game room immediately to your right with one of our 3rd guest bedroom. So here, this could be your game room. You could also have a media room here. You have a little wine cooler up here. Very nice touch. And let's go see the second floor balcony. So here are the views from the second floor. Now, there are 31 lots opening up in the Verona collection in Treviso. Reach out to the Austin City Brothers for more information on these lots and getting the right vastu, the right direction, the right views. So let's go see the guest bedrooms. You have 2 bedrooms down, 3 bedrooms up. You have a guest bathroom right here on your left for the game rooms. Then you have your closet and your 3rd guest bedroom here on the second floor. This bedroom does have its own full bath. So let's go see the other guest bedrooms on the second floor. Here's your 4th guest bedroom right through here. This guest bedroom is really nice for one of your kiddos or those who are staying extended stay. You've got your full bathroom right here. Really nice accents. Nice little makeup area or space for a desk. And then your 4th guest bedroom right through here. Now let's go see the 5th and final guest bedroom here. Come on in. Your final guest bedroom right here. This This 5th guest bedroom also has its own bathroom as well, fully attached. Thank you for watching our home tour of the Verona Collection by Toll Brothers. For more beautiful homes like this and your own exclusive tour, click the link in the summary below in our custom link tree, and we look forward to working with you.